Assalamualaikum. Evening. Okay, get ready. Okay, pessoal, cheerio. Okay. Every day. Let's reading. Let's reading. Let's reading. Okay, the as usual, biasa slow jog dulu first 1 minute. Okay, they just relax, bounce a bit and run a bit. Okay, slow jog 1 minute and go up. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 10, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10. Short legs. Breathing. Short legs. Breathing. Relax and breathing. Okay, again, next 1 minute, start jump. Okay, ready and go up. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. Baru relax. Breathing. Relax, breathing. Relax, breathing. Relax, breathing. Okay, relax. Rotate 1, 2, 3, 4. Change side 1, 2, 3, 4. Change 1, 2, 3, 4. Change 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change, rotate forward 1. Change side 2. Change side 3. And change side 4. Okay, shoulder forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Push tangan belakang. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change hand again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push up. Di atas, belakang press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And change hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, straight up. Ready? Left up. 1. Okay, side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Bend side. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And change side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press forward now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Okay, press back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax and to the left. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, press forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, body bend to the back. Ready? And bend. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, relax. The hips rotation. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, ready, stand. Press shoulder in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change for stance. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Hit the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, change leg. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax and press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And push all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way back. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, change side. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Body press forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You sit down, butterfly. Relax, breathe. So relax, breathe. Relax and breathe. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Breathing. And down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. And breathing. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg back, forward. Okay, body bend to the back, press. 1, 2, 3, 4, bend forward down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, bend forward down. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change leg. Press the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend forward down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend forward down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Open both legs. Breathing. Relax. Breathing. Let's get bend left. Press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Kitchen side and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Press forward ready. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Time ready. The left down. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, change side and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Body press forward ready, down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Massage leg. Okay, move knees up. Okay, dua lutut atas, bend kiri. Okay, pegang kilas twice and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one leg in. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leg push forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Down, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One leg in. And forward down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change leg. Press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, sit down. Okay, press forward. Ready. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, rotate ankle forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, both leg forward and both leg together, hand forward. Deep press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready. So relax. And ready. So. Okay, Ferhat, cari Cumbi. And Kurdistan guarding block. Okay, kicking practice. So kick, and double punch. So first round front kick and double punch. Just in walking stand enough. Then you pull back, getting blow again, start again. Okay, ready by number on. Pull back. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. Okay, come back, baru. And 6. Baru. And 7. Baru and 8. Double punch, fast turn, and then come back, pull back, getting block again. And 9. And 10. Okay, try inside. Inside, getting block, stay. Front kick, double punch, pull back, getting block, on. Baru relax. And 2. Relax, come back. And 3. Relax, come back. And 4. Punch fast and come back. 5. Laju, punch nombor laju. Okay, dari pinggang, start from hips. Come back to hips. Okay, dari pinggang, start balik ke pinggang. Come back, ready, and 7. Good, come back. And 8. Tahan, laju, punch fast. Come back. And Hayan, punch fast, Hayan. And 9. Tahan, and come back, last one, 10. Cerat, come back, baru. Okay, cerat terah, change leg again. Now back thrust kick, back leg turning kick. Double chagi, hand knife chop. Okay, so stay. Walking style enough. Okay, and then come back, and then block. Okay, tendang. Left leg, right leg kick. Knife chop, right hand. Okay, turning kick, chop, and pull back, and then block. Ready, on. Okay, come back, baru. And 2. Come back. 3. And come back. And 4. Keep high and strike fast. Relax and come back. Tendang tinggi. Okay, turning kick. Julu chagi. And knife strike. Pull back, getting block. And 7. Okay, relax. And 8. Okay, come back. And 9. Come back. And 10. Okay, cerat terah. Okay, change leg, same thing. Double chagi, knife chop, baru heading block. On. And 2. And 3. Go fast, strike fast. Okay, after kick, recover, ready for strike. And 5. Okay, come back. And 6. and 7. Come back, and 8. Come back, and 9. And last one, 10. Throw. Okay, jadi blok cerah terah. Last one. Okay, last one, side kick, back leg. Back leg, side kick and hammer fist. So 2 leg, 2 hands. So you can start with forward stand here. Jadi block forward stand, back leg side kick, and elbow. Okay, jadi block up. Go forward stand, come back, jadi block. When you block in, forward stand. Ready. And 1. Come back. And 2. Come back. Ready. And 3. Come back. And 4. Come back. And 5. Okay, change leg, cerah terah. On. Back and 2. Okay, side kick, back side kick, hammer fist sekaligus, 2 tangan. Okay, bias lari dia. Okay, and 4. Okay, again, and 4. Bagi selari hayang, tangan dengan kaki. Last one, and 5. Baru. Sure, ready. Let's ready. Sure, drink water 1 minute. Check. Your name? Okay, so paling ada semua ada. So kita ada sebulan saja ya for national game. Only one last month. Basically, so maybe kelas online kita ada maybe meet this week and next week after that. Those yang akan pergi buat dekat UiTM akan pergi macam satu camp lah. So the rest you focus on your recording lah, shooting. Okay. Then maybe after that we will stop first lah online class. Dan those yang dekat you akan fokus pada physical class. But there's another day lah. We discuss another day. So the last preparation for national game. Check your level. I think I saw some say certain level stay not yet firm lah. Firm and accurate, 2 benda. Okay, especially saya tengok yang Syahira hari tu masa game, so bukan masa game, masa you buat presentation MKA hari sukan itu certain part masih lagi not apa dia panggil tak firm lah, tak kemas. Okay, especially on accuracy part. So accuracy part on hand part lah, hand teknik tangan. So the punch, all that, the strike. Okay, and then the second hand mana duduk. Okay, the block, santo maki, all that belum cukup accurate. Okay, so benda that thing you kena balik study. So basically you just kalau you ada simpan you tengok balik kelas lama kita. Ataupun you check balik those yang professional punya players, so just check the level. So I go through a bit lah, pesan. Okay, so first, higher pungsi lah. So basically certain is higher pungsi. So, teknik mostly teknik yang ada 2 tangan. So this one for example montong tunggang maki. Okay, and then certain teknik yang ada 2 tempat. Maksudnya lower back, color back pun ada. Black belt pun ada, dalam tego pun ada, dalam Yudanja pungsi pun ada. So basically macam satu hammer fist lah. Hammerfish still not quite accurate. Okay, so in terms of your presentation lah, the accuracy. Okay, so basically certain part. Okay, first kali you nak tahu accuracy, you must know the basic. The basic teknik tu teknik apa? Tu basic dia. Okay, apa teknik tu? Block, attack. Kalau block apa? So block basic block taekwondo cuma ada 4 saja. High block, outer block, inner block, okay, dan lower block. So dia mesti salah satu daripada 4 block. Dia tak boleh ada block yang selain daripada benda ni. So variation dia, for example, Kyunggang Maki. So Kyunggang Maki ada dua cara you perform Kyunggang Maki. So it's called apa? Kyunggang Maki ya. Okay, mountain block ah. Okay, mountain block. So this one for Pyongwon here. You raise from inside. So this one means apa? This one means this is inner block. This one inner, this one inner. You go almost like inner block lah, inside out. Okay. If here like this for Kyunggang ada dua cara. So ending part is the same block, but preparation this one forward is outer block. Outer block face level, and the other one is inner block face level. Okay. So that is macam you pecahkan dia macam tu. So apa basic dia? So outer block, inner block. Ending same mountain block. Same here for Pyongwon. So this one inner block. So both together mountain block. Same thing also Pyongwon here from here. This up here. This one also inner block. Face level, head level. But in the Santul Maki position. Okay. So when you do Pyongwon like that, so the same. This one is the same. This one is center punch, or also block or punch, same thing. You either punch the side or you block center difference. This one same like Kyunggang. Okay. Kyunggang punya block. Okay. So when you know the breaking point, you will know the accuracy lah. So accuracy means ending point and starting point. Ending, starting. Ending, starting, ending. Okay. So that's accuracy. And then you know cara nak execute bila you tahu apa block tu. Okay. So this one same. Tego 8, Santul Maki same. Inner block or high block. Inner block I say. High inner block. And this one lower block. So you can break down the block. So how you practice? You boleh practice satu-satu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until you get the accuracy. And then here same 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sampai accurate, sampai you get the accuracy. Then you can continue both. 1, 2, 3. Even without the mirror, you can know the accuracy. Bila you dah biasakan dengan single hand, dan bila you buat dua, you akan dapat accuracy. Okay, so that's how you train. So first thing, tahu teknik single teknik. Second thing, tahu first thing tahu teknik dan cara execute lah. Starting point, ending point, and both all accuracy. Second thing is practice one by one. Break down the technique and practice one by one, and then third one continue. If a combination block, then you continue same here. Tebek, okay, Montong Kyunggang Maki. So this one is high block, this one is inner block. So how you prepare high block? So back to the basic. So you back if you do single hand, how you do high block? So same practice at 1. So you come back, you start from here in Tebek. So high block, cross the side, pergi cross pinggang, itu baru swing up atas. Okay, check your level. So this one you should know already. Okay, berapa jarak dari kepala, macam mana tutup, ni siku macam mana, lengan macam mana, penumbuk macam mana. Okay, so this is basic high block. So how you prepare, then this one is inner block. So how to do inner block single hand? So just do like that. Check the level. Okay, check the execution, starting point. ending point. Okay, starting, ending, tapak tangan macam mana. Okay. This one single. So you practice your single hand accuracy, and then you continue both, combine both. Okay. Like that. So you become like that. So bila you buat both, you make sure the accuracy for both block is correct. Okay, and then when you do in Pumse, you also check, pastikan correct. Okay, that's one thing. Okay, another one is elbow. Elbow, assist elbow. So berapa banyak elbow you ada? Berapa banyak elbow dalam Pumse? Tego 4. Tego 4, this one no assist, but it's come here. So the assist is on the solar plexus. This one first elbow, Tego 4. Tego 5 and Tebet is the same elbow. Tego 5, Tebet. Ada lagi ke? Sibdin no elbow. Pyongwon, yes, Pyongwon also same. So side kick, hammer fist, and then come back elbow. So this one in Tego 5, Tego 5, Tego apa lagi? Tego Tebet, Pumse Tebet and Pyongwon. So ada 3 Pumse pakai the same technique. Side kick, hammer fist, and back elbow. Okay, next one is Tego 7. Okay, crescent kick and elbow like that. So elbow directly center. So this one actually the same elbow. So you elbow, your elbow comes center of your body. So forward style like this, elbow comes center forward. Okay, this one solar plexus level. Okay, this one is for if you do for Tego 5 and Tego 5 like this. Elbow, Pyongwon, Tebet. So after which one? Tan like that. So up one, side kick and elbow same. Ending part is same. And then Pyongwon almost the same. Pyongwon after Kungamaki up 1, 2, side kick, the ending part, the last part. Okay, the first part is high up. Okay, that's one. Another one high up. It's also Tego 7. Tego 7 is you face to the side after the kick and elbow to the side, but the body face the same like the one in Tego 5, Tebet and Pyongwon. So the body position and the how you elbow. They change only on the stance and where you look, because Tego 7 follow the movement. Okay, so benda tu yang you kena ingat lah. And then, but the elbow itself same, elbow itself same. So how you execute this? So dua benda yang you buat mistake, that's why you buat mistake. Ialah first one, you elbow to the side, you finish there. Okay, tengok badan saya. So elbow tu berhenti dekat tepi badan. So you come and you elbow there. No, this is wrong. You must come elbow center. You center the solar plexus. Okay, so the hips twist a bit when you block, where you elbow, and then also the shoulder a bit. Okay, this satu mistake yang biasa orang buat lah. So first mistake, elbow to the side. No, your elbow center. Okay, like you punching. Okay, down there. Okay, second one is this hand. This hand move people bila you buat macam ni, tangan ni masuk tampar sini, no. Okay, so most people or usually mistake happen when you do this. Okay. Okay, can you see the mistake from the front? What's the mistake? First is also the elbow lah. You pergi tepi, you tak pergi tengah. Pergi tepi, you hentak tepi. So tepi badan kena. Kalau ada opponent depan, hentak badan. So you don't go for solar plexus. So that's one wrong. Another one, apa yang salah? In Pumse itself. Yeah, this hand shouldn't. Apa saya cakap dulu? Jangan tangan datang ke siku. Siku kena pergi ke tangan. So this one become your target. So see how you push. So here, bila saya elbow, when I turn the shoulder automatically dia akan react. Dia akan masuk dalam. So saya tak tarik, saya tak force dia, saya tak tarik shoulder ni. Tapi bila saya pusing shoulder ni automatic akan masuk lah, dia rotate. Okay, so when I target center, this hand automatically come close. Okay, so you can go attack target lah. So you push a little bit saja dekat situ. If it's not reached, naturally, you can pull a little bit with your elbow here. If not, then just natural. You can do natural. If you twist enough, you can go naturally. So the elbow go to the arm, not the other way around lah. So siku pergi tapak tangan, bukan tapak tangan tarik ke siku. Jangan tampar dia, jangan tampar ke siku. No. Okay, faham tak? So jangan siku sini tampar. Pergi ni tampar, no. Pergi habis center, then it will naturally come to your palm. You understand? So that's how you perform. So jangan jadi dua movement, 1, 2, no. Tan, walaupun you hampir serentak. So jangan ni nampak ditarik. Panggil apa? Purposely tarik. No, naturally turn the shoulder. And then automatically dia akan sampai. So same thing. Side kick, elbow, or crescent kick, elbow, same. Also same. So when you elbow the shoulder a bit turn. Jangan static straight macam tu. Jangan straight. Okay, turn a bit. Ada. Alright. So it's in riding stance, jangan straight macam tu. Dia akan turn a little bit. Okay, the stance is on the kaki ya, lower body. Okay, pinggang ke bawah is stance. Stance you kena jaga sini. Higher up, pinggang ke atas, you boleh bergerak. Okay, jangan tak perlu keras. So same thing here is from back. So same thing. Yeah, from here up. Okay, this one stance come, the body can turn. Here baru finish. Okay, or here you can stay turn a little bit more. Okay, only stance yang keras, only stance yang fix. Okay, so this 2 part lah, 2 or 3 part saya nampak biasa you buat mistake lah. In term of accuracy in hand position. Okay, other than that, most of the technique is straightforward lah, kecuali yang ada 2 tangan, or 2 movement tangan. Okay, movement tangan. So for like here, hachomaki, prepare. Macam mana saya cakap? You have to remember what I say. Okay, because apa yang saya cakap ialah rules, apa yang you kena buat. Bukannya saya suka-suka cakap. Okay, so when I say you block hachomaki, for example, saya cakap apa hachomaki? Apa rules dia? Siapa ingat? Mesti you ingat. Takkan tak ingat. Apa nak cakap? Kak je mat. Apa rules hachomaki? Hachomaki apa? Hachomaki means semua blok yang ada 2 tangan. This one montong hacho. This one arai hacho. If you have here is a ogol hacho. Okay, this one tak ada lah dalam normal fungsi. I think it's video ada. Okay, for yours probably you don't tak jumpa lagi. Okay, hacho means block yang ada yang cross lah, X block. X block is hacho lah, ataupun yang you prepare dengan X. Okay, hacho means 2 tangan. The same block in both hands. Okay, hacho. So hacho montong, hacho arai, hacho ogol. Okay, so apa syarat hacho? Syarat hacho pertama ialah you check the front leg. Front leg. Kaki mana dekat depan, tangan tu di depan. Prepare. Okay, boleh faham? Very simple. Okay, so one thing is if you do Pyongwon here. After here, tan. Okay, you cross elbow, and here is hacho. You start with hacho. Tapi tangan mana depan, tangan mana belakang. So up, 1 and down. Okay, kaki kanan yang bergerak, tangan di bawah. Tangan kanan di bawah. Why? Because when you prepare here, you start here. Okay. Walaupun you prepare from here, but you start the block is here. So you tengok nampak tangan mana di luar. Ikut kaki ni kan. So tangan dibuka. This one also you starting with hacho, almost like hacho. But the block is kyongamaki lah, mountain block. It's not the hacho. It's almost same hacho juga lah sebab dia same side, same block right. So dia start macam hacho. Okay, so syarat pertama ialah follow tangan yang prepare di luar mesti ikut kaki yang bergerak. Itu the first rules. Second rules, the block must start higher than shoulder level. Okay, you mesti start dari shoulder. You tak boleh start bawah pada shoulder, no. If you do area hecho, you tak boleh start sini, area hecho. So for example, area hecho is tunggang. After here, tahan, and then come here. Okay, come here. You cannot start. This one is montong. One. Kan? You tak boleh start bawah dan naik atas. Dia akan jadi rotate. No, this is wrong. Okay, so jangan start dari bawah. Bila you start dari bawah, dia akan jadi rotation macam tu. So you have to start from up, higher than shoulder level, sama level atau lebih tinggi. Okay, so bila you block, you akan jatuh ke bawah sikit. So you akan lepas tangan, bukannya pusing tangan. Lepas tak macam tu. Okay, it's very naturally turn. Okay, and then second one after here same. Go again. So this tunggang maki, and then up one hechu maki, and then same one more time one. Same. This one is area hechu. So see again here from here. Which hand on the outside? Tangan mana di luar? Dan kenapa di luar? Can you see? So here from here hechu maki in riding stand. Then change to walking stand. Which leg move? Left leg, so left hand outside. Same here, hechu maki, you start dari atas, shoulder level. Hechu area maki. Okay, you tak boleh start rendah pada tu. So for example, if I start from here, so this is wrong. Okay, you start lower than shoulder. You go down. Even you count correctly, you still starting wrong. You must start up high. Collarbone or higher, shoulder or higher. Tahan. So hechu area maki ada banyak kan. Tunggang ada Tego 6, Tego 7 I think. Tego 7, Tego 6 ada kan? Tego 6 this one. Okay, so this one Tego 7. So betul lah Tego 6. Okay, tunggang. That's 2 I think. Ada lagi tak? So nanti you check lah. Okay, same thing here. This one in Tiger stand, in tablet, but it's knife hand hecho area maki. Okay, so you need to know the difference, the basic, the variation and the difference. Okay, the difference basically tak banyak lah. Okay, especially kalau the starting point the same type, so ending same lah. So kalau knife hand open lah, start open. So this one is slow, fast directly. Okay, this one slow 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, boleh. So that is the difference execution, the difference preparation, and the difference level. So how you train. Okay, so how you train. For example, hechu maki, you do a peringkat lah. So how you prepare. So this one you practice with the stand. Okay, the stand. Kaki mana yang gerak. Okay, itu I take tunggang again. So tunggang from here up 1, and then you want to practice the hechu maki. So practice first here, starting up, finish, come back again, up, make sure you hand and leg correct. Okay, tangan dan kaki betulkan tangan dan kaki dulu for preparation. Okay, if here you correct, then you practice the block, the block itself. So this one is fast movement, tak directly. So apa yang you kena tengok adalah accuracy lah, level. Okay, if this is this montong, then shoulder. If the area, then lower than back. So area, knife hand, lower than back. So you need to practice like that. Practice one by one. Okay, boleh. So any part of any fungsi, mana-mana fungsi yang you rasa you tak faham lagi accuracy dia. Just tell me now. So kita boleh try tengok. Ada tak part mana yang you rasa you buat you tak tahu betul salah, ataupun you rasa you buat tak kadang-kadang jadi, kadang-kadang tak jadi. So I show you how to practice. So how to do one by one. Pecahan. Any part. Okay. Any part. Kalau tak kita buat elbow lah today. Okay. For your assignment, you just do this. Means that you buat fungsi dan you cari tempat mana yang you rasa you masih belum cukup mahir lah untuk buat this one, this part, or this part, okay, or this part is or this combination hand. Banyak sangat combination hand. So if kalau pertama you tak tahu accuracy, kedua you tak tahu execution, ketiga you tak tahu timing. Okay, tiga benda ni. If you stay confused or you still don't know, okay, you can check which part or each punse, and then let me know. Then I tell you how to practice, how to train. So you can get the accuracy, get the how to execute, and get the timing correct. Okay, up. So tonight, if no specific part, we do a little bit of the elbow part. Cheerio and chumbi. So first one, just repeat just now. So I go 5. High block, forward stand. Up, on. Okay. So from here, I show you this side. High block, forward stand. Back leg side kick. So bila you kick, this hand come to the elbow. Okay, the blocking hand come to your hips. Hips come to the hips. Directly pergi ke hips before you kick. Or ataupun semasa you raise the leg. Okay, when the leg raise up, you raise the leg. This hand come here up. So like this, almost like this. When you turn, okay, from this side up. Okay, so this hand come here. This hand come to the shoulder. Ataupun this part chest, dada sini ataupun shoulder. Okay, so the hand, how you do the hand. This one is a hammer fist, or something like that. So okay, this one is the cookie one through to form cookie one. This one competition through to form. Same thing. You can do both actually in competition. So prepare. If you do this, start with here. If you do this, start here. Start or start. Two way of doing. Okay. So tangan on the block, up and up. One. This one prepare chamber for the kick. Okay. Yeah. So make sure dia selari lah. If you kick high, you're supposed to kick high lah. Kick high. This hand also angle lah. Angle 45. If you kick direct straight, you macam orang tua macam saya kick direct straight. So you mesti tangan lurus you. Okay, so mesti selari ya, you tahu selari ya. Everyone understand lah kalau saya kat selari. Means that this one, this the same line, the straight line, the same line. So together the same line. Okay, if you high, go high. Okay, for example, if I go high, the hand also go high. Like that. So jangan jadi segitiga. Boleh faham? Okay, very easy to understand. So make sure your hand don't come here. The hand don't come straight, but the leg go up. So it become triangle. No, don't do triangle. You do selari. You do parallel. Okay, ready? This. Okay, 10 times. Ready? And okay. Also one more. After kick, recover and prepare the elbow here. So open, come, over stand. Okay, finish the stand together with the elbow. So swing after you land here, before you finish the stand, you swing the hips for your elbow. Swing the hips, and the stand will finish together with the elbow. So you boleh ada twisting here, and you don't have to pull back your leg too much. Right, boleh ya? Boleh faham? Ready? I block. Okay. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. That is breaking down. Okay, try you do one shot. Okay, ready? And on. Boleh. Taruh again. Back. Semua orang boleh buat? Boleh. Again, your entire ready. And 2. Okay, come back. Check your elbows, solar plexus. Go direct center. Okay, ready? And 3. Okay. The best one in terms of presentation. This one presentation, not so much accuracy. This one must come together. So simpan chamber dan sini mesti serentak. So I show you, try to show you. Okay, up 1 together, and then 2 and 3. So breakdown dia ada tiga tempat. From starting dari high block. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Understand? So these 3 must come together. Understand? Boleh faham? So jangan for example, jangan kaki naik dulu baru naik tangan. So lepas tu tendang dan baru keluar tangan lambat, ataupun tangan keluar dulu baru tendang. Faham tak? So this part 1, 2, 3 is together. Okay. 1, 2, 3. But you don't have to stop each time. Just continue directly, continuously. But 1, 2, 3, try to get them together. Mesti jadikan dia sama serentak. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's timing tangan tu yang penting. Okay, ready? Okay, number 4, on. Okay, Syairah laju lagi, Syairah. Jangan one by one. So dia mesti panggil apa? Nah, movement dia mesti harmonize, continuous, natural, very natural. Dan dia okay. Faham macam tu? Jangan one by one, jangan no, not too robot. It's very natural and very fast. Power, attack. This is attack. Nah, di situ kena power. Pump. And then come one. Another power. Jangan terlalu one by one. Okay, ready? Number 5. And on. Okay, for GN, your leg faster than your hand, then your hammer fist. Okay, careful there. Again, last one, number 6. And on. Okay, Jishan jaga hammer fist juga. Your angle stay not correct. Your hand go higher a bit. You kick high, the hand must go high also. Jangan pergi straight. Okay, change leg. Change leg. Same saja. Principle same, movement same. Just change the leg only. Okay, try. Ready, number 1. And boleh higher, Nasha. And 1. Okay, come back. Jaga stun. Make sure if you do on the angle, landing on the angle. If you do straight lines with your camera, landing straight line. Okay, jangan silap. Okay, and ready, number 2 and 2. Okay, very good. Come back. Check your power stun, landing. Landing, I think GUN a little bit bigger your stun. Masa landing, masa starting okay. Masa landing tu jadi kecil. Ready, and 3. Syairah jaga tangan, jangan jadi segitiga. Come back. Number 4. And 4. Okay, come back. Number 5. And 5. Okay, come back. Syairah, tangan dengan kaki bagi serentak. This one. Hammer fist dengan side kick biar serentak. Jangan tangan dulu ataupun kaki dulu. Okay, number 6 ready, last one. And on. Okay, next. Come back. The variation, the same technique, but variation. So this one, tap back. The tap back one. So you start with the Kunga kick. You start here, back stand. Which leg first, left or right? Left first, right. Okay, start here, back stand, and Kunggang Motong Maki. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5. Okay. So how timing? Timing. So this one is 1, and 2. Okay. So this one very fast. 2 technique in 1 time. Okay. Okay, and then prepare 3 another time and another time. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's the timing. No need to go for that time. Jangan pergi satu-satu macam tu. Pergi naturally. So the correct, the speed tadi saya tunjuk timing. Now is the speed. So from here, after you turn up 1, directly, pam, pam, pam. So pam, 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 pam. So pam, 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 pam. Okay, pam, 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 pam. So ada 5 timing, natural speed. Okay, ready? Jadi start with here. So cross inside for penggal maki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, on time. On. Baru, come back. Start. Start again, ready. Prepare here, and 2. There we go again. Third one, ready. And 3. Come back, taruh. Okay. You see macam mana susah, bukan senang step back. Apa benda yang you kena tengok dulu? A lot of things. So first one is preparation of the stand. The stand you must make sure is continuously the stand is correct. Okay, and then the hand mana dulu? Start dari mana? Start, execute, and then ending. The accuracy part. Accuracy, prepare again, ending again, accuracy again, and prepare again, ending again. And then the time, the speed. Okay, so this one, that's the stand, the preparation, the technique itself, and then the speed of the technique. So here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then the kick here, angle of the kick and the fist, hammer fist, and then the balancing after the kick, balance of the kick, then the elbow. Okay, elbow also include the twisting. Banyak kan? Berapa teknik je? Ada tiga teknik saja. 3 atau 4 teknik saja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 teknik and a lot of things you have to control and you have to get it right. Okay, so tak semestinya you buat perlahan you akan hilang mistake. No, tak semestinya you buat laju you akan hilang mistake. No. So one thing is the timing of the technique. Second, the speed of the technique. And then the accuracy of the technique. Tiga-tiga ni mesti betul for the point. One mistake then 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Okay, again. Let's do again. Let's try again. So don't worry, we have time. So you just practice this until you get it correctly, until you get perfectly. Okay, sampai perfect. You boleh practice ulang-ulang kali sampai perfect. Jadi number 3 and on. Taruh. Don't think too much. If you think mesti buat macam ni, mesti buat ni, they become wrong. You just take one technique at one time. So okay, this one betulkan yang ni dulu. Yang lain pergi for the time or pergi for the speed. And then after that you correct this one, then you try to correct this one in the speed. Okay, in the real speed. Then you can get it correct. If you always practice slow, then the tournament also you will do slow. So that's not good. Okay, try. And number 5, on. Okay, change side, same technique. Okay, you try first. I give you 1 minute. Try, check your timing, check your stand, check your technique first. Just try your own first. Check first. You can how to do. Okay, check accuracy Syahira, inner block. Ya, shoulder level. Dan di sini bengkok lagi siku, Okay, boleh try, ready? Okay, by time, by count. 5 times. Jadi number 1. And on. Here you add speed. Here, boleh you buat maintain the accuracy, but add the speed. So from here, okay, down here, up 1 and 2, 1, 2, but go fast, continuous. Ready again, number 2 and 2. Syahira, jaga dua benda. Farouk, jaga back stand dan elbow. Elbow, jangan tangan pergi ke elbow. Elbow pergi ke tangan. Macam tu. Pusing lagi, kilas lagi pinggang. Target elbow ke solar plexus, target center. Sakit center, yes. Tapi jangan tinggi badan. Jadi, again, number 3. And on. Okay, hammer fist, Jian dengan Jishan become triangle. Okay. Shoulder, move your shoulder for angle. Move your shoulder. Syahira, kaki depan bend lagi, masa back stand. Ya, bend here, bend more. Masuk lagi. Bend sini, bend dekat paha. Ni macam ni. Ni masuk lagi, rendahkan badan. Okay, ready? Number 4. Okay. Ready, on. Okay. Last one, number 5 and 5. Okay, Farouk. Okay, next one, Lego 7. Now you're in Rajasthan. So you start from here, the last part. Okay, walkie stand, back face. Okay, crescent kick, elbow, ready stand. Then up 1, back face, walkie stand, crescent kick, elbow. Then single knife and block, reverse punch. You give it all the way. The back last one. But this one you do, saya explain lagi kan timing dia. Very straightforward lah. Say a little bit, very straightforward lah timing. So one stand or one step is 1 second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The timing. Ready? We do 5 times. Ready? Start dengan walkie stand. Walkie stand back face. On. 2, 3, 4, 5. Baru. Can I count 1? You continue all the way. Day number 2 and 2 all the way. Baru. Come back. Again. Ready. And 3. Baru. Okay, look here. So after the first technique is lepas tendang. So back face, walkie stand. Here when you kick, masa tendang, where this hand pergi mana? Tangan pergi mana? So this one open, open for target. Okay, so this hand don't move. This hand maintain here, maintain on the hips. So from here, 1, and keep, maintain. Okay, masa you landing here, barulah you pergi elbow. So I should again from here. So sini nampak sikit. Okay, up, one, and here, from here elbow, dari pinggang macam punch. So jangan alih tangan ni. Masa you tendang, this hand maintain dekat pinggang. Okay, jangan alih dia. Jangan first kali jangan drop. Bila drop you hayun, you akan jadi hayun besar for the elbow. One wrong. Okay. Secondly, jangan raise up the hand. Okay. Bila you raise up, same thing. Here, when you start from here, you don't have the rotation. You cannot rotate. You can rotate for elbow. So you datang dari atas, also wrong. Or you directly keluar pun also wrong. Okay. So what you do is maintain the hand on the hips. Maintain hand on the hips. Masa kick pun maintain tongue. Okay, same thing up here. This one also same. Kick maintain. So bila you start, after you kick, you can prepare the elbow from the hips. Okay, if you maintain here, if you drop or you raise up, you have dia punya elbow akan bermasalah. Okay, try again. Jadi control this hand during the kick, maintain it. Masa elbow start dari situ, start dari situ. Number 4 ready and on. Okay, very good, Jian. Okay, very good. Okay, come back. Okay. Number 5 and 5. Yes. Harum. Okay, Syairah jaga. Bila you start elbow, you tak perlu. You start elbow masa you kaki dah recover. Okay, recover, then you can start elbow. Okay, tak perlu start elbow masa kaki masih di udara. So for example here, you tendang jangan gaduh, jangan lorak, jangan rushing nak elbow. Relax ya, bagi jatuh ke kaki. Okay, so from here you kick, when you kick, finish the kick first, and then prepare for the next turn, baru start elbow. Jangan jadi sini nak elbow. So you jadi kekok, takut. So relax finish the kick first, habiskan dulu kick. Habiskan kick, recover the kick, and then go for the elbow. So sebelum you landing, you recover dulu. Here, from here you elbow. So the elbow finish with the start together. Okay, boleh? Last one. Time 6. And see, cak. Lorak lagi, Syairah, tangan hilang. Continue. Starting hand luar lagi, jangan dalam sangat. Bila awak kick, Syairah, bila masa lepas awak kick, tangan awak ni duduk masuk dalam. Dia masuk dia ni. Pastikan dia duduk luar, biar pergi sentuh tulang pinggir. Rasa tulang pinggir. Sentuh dia. So bila sentuh tulang pinggir, bila awak kick tu tak akan masuk. Okay. Bila kick, tangan tu akan stay di luar. Okay, jangan bila kick tangan masuk sekali. Boleh nampak kamera saya? Okay, kalau saya kick, ni Syairah buat. So bila awak kick tu tangan awak dalam. So jadi awak tak boleh nak twist elbow. So jadi elbow tu logak, jadi rushing. Okay. So cara awak pernah buat, this one, sentuh tulang pinggang. Rasa tulang pinggang. Okay. Feel the hips bone. Okay, hips bone. Then the kick, maintain masa tendang, maintain tangan ni di luar. Nampak tangan ni ada di luar, jangan di dalam, jangan masuk dengan kick. Dia ada di luar. Atau awak letak belakang sikit, apa masa awak start nak kick tu, awak tarik sikit, letak belakang. Okay, supaya tangan tu jangan ikut sekali dengan kaki. Jangan sampai ada space tu. Okay, pastikan dia di luar. Kaki naik masuk, tangan di luar. Okay, we do one more time. Last one. Try Syairah. Check your tangan, check your head. And see, check. Okay, good. Okay, go. Okay, yes. Very good. Okay, twist more. The second one, Syairah. Elbow twist lagi. Okay, any question? Okay, rest first, Syariel. Check the water. If you have any question, buka mic dia. So for GN, you have one more variation of this in Pyongyang. Only you lah do Pyongyang here. Okay, Pyongyang, the last part is the same. The last part here, same elbow. The first part is this one elbow. This one I will show you again. Okay, ada dua lagi. So ada dua lagi elbow. So satu is side to side, or variation is to both side. Okay, another one is height from choke to the jaw. Okay, dari the same lah. This one start same with the hips, and you go raise up. So you swing up. So where you hit here, this part straight. The fist on the ear. Okay, this one if you see referee Kyorugi, the same. Okay, cardio, cicak. Okay, kuman ataupun cardio. Okay, cicak. It's the same technique, the same shape. So same elbow, same to the jaw. This is actually target to the jaw. Okay, the target here to the jaw of opponent, but the ending part of the hand is onto the ear. This one is to the ear, cover the ear. Not like this, not like that. Okay, not open. Okay, not open, not to this, not this side. This one. Okay, the fist face up, cover the ear. So in what we call in application, you can both become attack and block. So you block it. You attack people and you block your head directly. Okay, so for itu tujuan dia lah, why you do that. Okay, the other one is side by side. So two variation. One is the push here. So palm hand assist. Okay, kalau ke kiri, dari kanan ke kiri. Okay. So nipple lah, nipple. Okay. Dada ni pergi. Nipple to nipple. Okay, itu dalam kitab lah. Kitab. You tahu ada kitab kitab fungsi, kitab basic. Okay, same thing, left and right, same thing. Dan kalau you double hand, you start with the palm on each other, or depends lah. If you move to the left, then left hand on the top. Okay, same macam Hecho Maki. So which hand move first? Which leg move? The hand on the top. Okay, so the top one is the palm on the elbow, and the other one on the other elbow. So directly. So go same, almost same lah, nipple to nipple. So ending in the nipple, at the nipple. So this why you nampak straight line, because on the nipple lah. So kalau you tetap betul, then become straight line. If you go higher than that, it's become awkward lah. So kalau rendah tu macam salah, bawah je salah. So you want straight, become straight. Okay, this one you can control the shoulder for level. Basically, if you do double, no need to control too much. So you go directly. So this hand go direct straight line. Go straight line. Okay, same thing here, go straight line. Okay, the shoulder come naturally. So jangan force dulu, jangan force shoulder, jangan shoulder yang lurus. Bila shoulder lurus, you pergi jadi naik ke atas. So kalau you start here, straight shoulder, you go up, right? Go up. So shoulder just natural. Okay, follow the nipple. Okay, same. Part 2, single. Okay, this one, elbow, raise up, hard, directly. So jangan dari luar, jangan macam mana, jangan dari tengah dari elbow, dari pinggang, hips up, directly atas. Okay, so that's 2. Another one, Tego 4 here. Tego 4, this show you also same, from pinggang up, you twist. Okay, almost there, but you go fast. So you almost swing from here, tapi jangan angkat macam ni. Okay, jangan buka dia punya armpit dulu, jangan buka ketiak dulu, baru swing. Not nice. I think it's not wrong, but it's not nice. So how you do is you go up high first, go up first, and then swing inside that, swing close. So application, same thing. If you open like this, there is 2 problem here. So first you open this side for attack. So and then it's too obvious. The attack come too obvious. Opponent can anticipate. So if you go like this, it's close to your body. and then you can fast change direction. You can go up, you can go twist, you can go also come inside. So very easy to change. That's for application. So same when you do the pumse, same you follow the logic technique. Fast. Here not good. It can be done but not good. Open, too much open and too big of the movement. So even in term of performance point also not good, because it will take too long to reach. Too big of the movement. So this one is more clean. Okay, more clean and you can do faster. It's better for performance point. Okay, that's two reasons. Okay. Pyongwon, I think Pyongwon I skip first. Yuan, okay. I think you can do your own. And then if you have any problem, you just take a video and give to me. Or if you want, you also can ask Master Chow. Okay, so I think I end here. Before that, some of the I think not tips, but more like general knowledge about Pumse. So things that you should know or you must know about Pumse, especially when we talk about competition. Okay, Pumse competition. First thing, of course, Pumse competition is martial art competition. Maksudnya apa? Maksudnya teknik yang you guna tu mesti boleh pakai dalam self defense. Okay, the real technique, you either the proper block, the block that can defend yourself, ataupun attacking yang you boleh hurt orang. You can injure someone, you can make someone sakit. Okay, kalau tak sakit tu bukan martial art. Okay, that's the idea lah. Okay, so the technique must proper. When we talk about true to form, proper technique. So if you block, you can stop the attack. If you attack, you can stop the opponent. You can make them hurt. Okay, if you punch like you can hurt someone. If you elbow like you can hurt someone. So if you do look nice, but very what we call it, keras, robotic, tak keras sangat, dan macam tak ada power. The look nice but no speed or accuracy wrong or the way wrong. If you do like this, how you attack person, how you proper attack kalau dalam martial art. So you don't attack here. You tak kena. Kali macam ni you macam tak kena apa-apa. So you must know your target. Okay, mana you nak attack dalam martial art. So same thing lah. That is the accuracy part of the Pumse. Punching, solar plexus. Elbow, solar plexus. Jaw level. Okay. This one, palm hand, jaw. Okay. Face high punch is a philtrum. Eye strike to the eye. Neck strike to the neck. Okay. So you must know your target, the proper target, because it's a martial art competition. So technique must proper martial art technique. Okay. So one thing. Second one is sport competition. So sport means that it has you kena nampakkan you punya speed, you punya agility, you punya power, you punya strength. Okay, so tak ada sport yang main yang you just main tak ada tenaga. Understand? You just stay there and being passive. Maybe you can argue chess is one part of chess, but it's a little bit passive. But still is use a lot of energy on the brain. So that's their sport. But like most sport, most physical sport like us, you have to do the movement. Okay, the movement. So the movement must have the power, the speed, and the strength. Mesti ada tempat-tempat yang ada. Okay, so like Pumse, not every part is the same rhythm. You know, ada tempat yang fast but no power. Ada tempat yang slow but with power. Ada tempat yang continuous and speed and power. Okay, macam tu lah. So what it means here is you need the physical fitness. You mesti boleh tahan movement fast. You mesti boleh tahan pergerakan, keluarkan power. So you have to have your little bit of muscle, little bit of fitness, little bit of endurance. You tak boleh bangun tidur masuk competition. No warm up, no training, no endurance training, no strength training. You can go to the competition, but of course you will be beaten. Okay, that's the idea. So you have to understand this. It's a martial art sport. It's a martial art. It's a sport.
The last one for Pumse, specifically for Pumse, not necessarily for Kyorugi. Pumse is the what we call is visual performance. Visual performance. Your point is being judged 100% by visual. Okay, by visual, a little bit of audio also for the sharp part. So what it means that you must have nice posture, you have nice presentation, nice clothes, nice movement, all kind of that thing. Okay, so you fikir macam you masuk modeling peragaan. So you want to show the best what we call it visual. Okay, so what the most important part on the Pumse visual is the first accuracy. Okay, mostly accuracy lah. But which part of accuracy is the shape part? The shape part is very important. So it means that when you do stunt, it's almost like you do in the dalam lukisan. You think about it like you do in the drawing. Okay, lukisan. So every shape must correctly perform, correctly show the visual part of the stunt. Mesti nampak L shape, mesti nampak the stand, the proper stand, mana berat pergi, berat badan ke belakang ke, berat belakang ke depan ke. The posture must be correct. Okay. So this thing is visual. You only judge by visual. But to do it is a very physical. Okay. Kalau you nak buat tu, you perlu ada the very fit physical. So here you cannot bend down. If your back muscle not strong enough, you cannot bring your body up straight. So you always do forward stand like that, or too much over like that. All this is you buat menjadikan you punya visual tak cantik. Okay, and in Pumse competition, visual is very important. So if you move tak cantik, potong mata. Okay, so these three parts you must understand. Pumse is about these three parts. Okay, the martial art, the sport, and the visual appearance. So if you sometimes visual is something, one more thing you need to understand about visual is you must be consistent. Just to understand. So if you kick high like that, every kick must go high like that. Kita boleh kanan tinggi, kiri rendah. And then first kick tinggi, second kick middle, dan last kick tak tahu mana. Okay. If you kick, you don't straight the knee. Okay, this proper kick. But you kick, you don't straight the knee, you pull back fast. Or you just like that, no power, or just show no power. All this will bring down your point. Because you must understand, dia bukan semata-mata visual, dia bukan semata-mata martial art, dia bukan semata-mata sport. It all three together. Dia mesti ada tiga elemen. If you want to perform the high performance Pumse player, must be able to do all three in every Pumse they do. So if you lack one, then you have trouble in the competition. So you must know which part that you're lacking. So you know how to train, what to train. Understand? Okay, any question? Ada soalan? If not, I think we finish here. I see you on Thursday night. Okay, no question. Okay, up. Okay, so the idea is you have to know how to train. So macam saya cakap tadi, cari tempat yang you masih rasa ragu-ragu, you just repeat that part, part by part. So break down the technique. And kalau stand yang you tak cantik, you break down the stand. Okay, break down the stand and do the stand. Start dari stand sebelum tu pergi next stand. So apa benda yang you rasa belum sesuai? Adakah kaki you tak cukup turn, tak cukup bend, tak cukup besar? So make sure you betulkan tu dan ulang benda tu. For example, okay. So that's how you train. And then make sure you check your schedule, so you can start your shooting for national game. Ambil je video. Kalau boleh ambil video macam you nak hantar. So then if you send me early, I check, okay, I think this part you maybe need a little bit correction, or you need bit correction. Or I will ask you your opinion, or you can ask my opinion. Which part yang you rasa yang maybe you rasa tak berapa cantik, tapi you rasa you boleh improve lagi. Then we can discuss, and if you have time, you can reshoot a lot. Banyakkan reshoot, tak ada masalah. Tapi kalau you kena shoot awal lah. So kalau esok nak hantar hari ni nak reshoot, it's a little bit big problem. You kena anticipate a little bit lah. Sometimes the problem might be on your part, the problem might be on my part. sometimes kita tak boleh nak upload, sometimes you tak boleh hantar kat saya. So benda-benda macam tu you kena anticipate. So you tak boleh kata okay nantilah 7 hari bulan semua bagi saya video. But then if I can get your video at 7, then no time to check anymore. So just send. If any problem, I don't know. So if you do the schedule early, buat jadual awal, shoot awal, you buat banyak pun tak apa. You shoot banyak-banyak, you bagi. You can check yourself. You can ask your coach to check with you and select. Okay, you take 5 video, maybe you select 2, give to me, and ask me if you think which part that I think the best one. So maybe if you do the best one, go for final, and then the less bit goes for the preliminary, for example. So we can change like that. We can put which part, or we can change. Okay, this one is better than this one, so I pick one. Okay, another one if you want to redo, reshoot, also can. So this kind of thing is something we must focus this month. Okay, for final submission. Okay, I think this month you can slow down your training. You just do your routine, or maybe a little bit part yang you nak baiki saja. Okay, all the previous training is enough. Now is to perform. Okay, and to make sure you give or you submit the best video you can do. Okay, I think there is not much difference lah. You shoot hari ni dengan you shoot 7 hari bulan. From now, I think not much difference lah. Unless I don't think, even if you training every day before, even more so lah. Okay, kalau you dah training hari-hari sebelum ni, you hantar video sekarang dengan 7 hari bulan, benda sama je. Okay, maybe little bit mistakes on the time of the shooting, but you must shoot first and then you can correct. If you don't shoot, you don't know which part of the shooting that become problem. Okay, so that's one thing. Second thing is if you baru sekarang you nak pecut training betul-betul, same thing will happen. By 7 hari bulan, on the 7 November you baru nak shoot yang proper sebab you dah practice gila-gila bulan ni. The performance there will not be too much different than your performance today. So the proper way is if you properly train since the first day we do our training here, and then you continue consistently, and you reach here today. This time today is already your peak. Supposedly already your peak. You can shoot anytime from nowadays until the 6 or the 7 will be almost the same level. Nothing much to improve unless a little bit of maybe a mistake on the shooting. Okay, mistake yang you buat depan kamera. Itu saja yang you boleh correct. But you cannot correct it without the shooting lah. So you kena shoot juga. So I don't fight for me lah, for my personal opinion. Your performance today will differ much from your performance on the 7 or on the 6 hari bulan. So if you can do shoot now. If any more mistake, we still have time to correct. Okay, so hari ini sampai 7 hari bulan tu cuma untuk correction saja, untuk pilih mana satu video paling baik yang you boleh buat. In terms of performance, your peak performance, it will not be enough, not be changed too much, for my opinion. So I think the best way to do now is just practice like you do every day like usual. But take a time, if you have one day per week or 2 days per week, take that day to shoot. You can shoot a lot, and then you can pick yourself, or you can ask your friend or your coach, and then or you can discuss with me. Can we check which one that we think the best performance and the internal performance or accuracy? Okay, which one that we think will score you the highest mark? So that's apa pandangan saya lah, benda tu yang you kena fokus dari hari ni lah. So but I give you your own time, especially those yang saya tak jumpa. Okay, Jian, Hasyairah, Jishan. So for you guys, I give you a little bit freedom on the schedule part, but I hope you don't hantar semua 7 hari bulan. So try to make sure you have time. Maybe don't throw all 6 pumse at the same day. Understand? It will hurt me. Kalau saya tak sempat nak upload, then it will hurt you. Okay? So I hope you pandai schedule. You kena fikir schedule saya juga. Dan you kena pandai control you punya schedule. Then you must think that at the end of the deadline, the system might be problem. Kalau dah ramai sangat upload, we must anticipate that. Okay, maybe overburden, over apa semua. So ada hang sana hang sini, orang lain pun upload, kita pun upload. So we try to avoid that lah. Okay, try to make a plan from today to avoid that thing that might happen on the 7th or 8th. So we try to avoid the chaos. Understand? Okay. Okay. Anything else you can ask in the group WhatsApp or personal WhatsApp me. Okay. Then I give you the video after the class. Okay. Cheer up. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Sabtu jangan lupa you hantar you punya result running. You boleh run bila-bila, tak semestinya hari Sabtu tu baru you run lah. Saya minta hari Sabtu baru you run. You run hari ni pun boleh, kalau you rasa time hari ni paling cantik, you hantar lah time hari ni, tak payah hantar time hari Sabtu. Okay? Tapi hantar pada hari Sabtu, jangan hantar hari lain. Okay, bye-bye. Bye everyone. Thank you, bye-bye.